Hey, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm gonna make passion fruit mousse. Very simple also. You just need a blender and 3 ingredients. You can find passion fruit here in America in the frozen department. It's very hard to find the fruit, and I love frozen because it's simple to do. You don't need to, deal with cutting and this and that. So this recipe, you just need 1 can of condensed milk, this is whipped cream. I'm just gonna fill it up. After that, the only thing that you need is half a cup. Let me see. No. Half a cup. I was right. Half a cup of passion fruit juice. I'm using frozen. We do need to put on a blender for a couple minutes. Are you ready for this? Ready? 1, 2, 3. It's ready. Now you can put in little cups like I did with the cream of papaya, or you can put in a dish, in a big dish. I'm gonna put in this big dish today. So if you're gonna put in small dishes, you can do quickly because they kind of settle very quickly. This is very nice also in small little containers. Let me show you. You can put so this is now going to the refrigerator, and I'll be back so you can see. Wow, I'm back. After all this work, I need the dessert. The mousse is ready, as you see. Has been in the refrigerator for about 2 hours. The consistency, you see, is kind of like creamy. I like to decorate them with strawberries because I think it's a good combination. There you go. And you can also put raspberries in it, just for decoration. I'm gonna try the little one and leave the others, the big one, for company. Why not, right? Very creamy. So light and so good. I hope you enjoy the channel. I hope you enjoyed this recipe. If you did, please leave a like button. Subscribe if you haven't subscribed yet to my channel. I'll see you in the next video. Hope you enjoyed. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.